All right, welcome back. I'm going to read from the text and then comment. There are three main sources of real estate investment capital that local investors can learn to locate and contact. Now, I want you to know the operative word in that sentence is local. I like dealing with local guys, local investors, guys that are in the same market as I am, guys that I can invite out to lunch if I want to. And I can show you how to find all the lenders you'll ever need without special software, subscriptions, easy for you to say, tricks, or insider information. There's one source for a lot of information that I don't believe a lot of guys take advantage of, and I'm going to show you at the end of this training exactly what to do and exactly where to go, what to look for, what it smells like, what it looks like, everything that you're going to need to know. Back in the day, I owned, with two partners, a very successful foreclosure investment company. We made a lot of monies for ourselves and our investors. We were so successful that investors started throwing money at us, and we eventually had more money than we could use. I hope to get you to that point. Don't be afraid to call me and ask me a question. I hope to get you to that point. Because we had to keep the money working, we eventually started buying properties that were a little tighter than usual. Now, that's a little trick I got to give you. That when you finally land a couple of hard money lenders, private money lenders, you're going to want to keep their money working. And if you have to buy deals that are a little tighter than usual just to keep their money working, it's worth it. Because once you land a private guy, you don't want him to go away because you didn't put its money to work. So if you're normally buying properties on a 30% spread or a 40% spread, go ahead, buy one at 25, you're going to live. Buy one at 20, you're going to live. You're not going to make the spread you're used to. But it's more important that you keep that money working. And even if you take a little loss, it's worth it. You got to keep those money guys happy. And here's the next tip. Private money that sits on the sidelines too long will go away. It'll hurt you. There's nothing like the feeling of having Mr. Cooper, when you call him and say, listen, I'm getting ready to buy at the sale today. Can you have some money available for me? If so, how much? I'm sorry, Rich. I loaned the money to somebody else because I didn't think I was going to hear from you. Yikes. Anyway, I promise, if you want to learn how to invest in real estate, you'll need money, and I think we can help you locate all that you need. And remember, you don't know what you don't know. See you on the next slide.